50 farms are completely destroyed. Farmers continue to count their losses as the inferno continues. Over 120,000 hectares of grazing land, livestock and game have been lost. Farmers are trying what they can to save livestock. Estimates put the cost at 40 million rand.
This morning I was very positive. We started very early. We had no wind. We had 3 points where the flames were. And we immediately put in the helicopters, who made a big difference.
Meanwhile, agricultural companies are distributing tons of feed to farmers. 50 tons of maize and 34,000 bales of lucerne have been made available already.